Hello everyone. Welcome to Inspire. Hope you all are doing well. If you are Microstock contributor on Shutterstock website, then follow my channel. Like video, share and subscribe for more videos. I am a Microstock contributor from last 3 years. I have started contributing in Shutterstock agency in early 2018. This video is about my earnings of January, February and March. I got good sales in starting of this year 2021. As you can see here, I got $32.04 in January. In February I got $32.79. But here in March I didn't even cross $10. This was little bit disappointing. But I was happy with the quantity of items sold in March. In total I had a 20 sales. Major part of my earnings comes from video sales in Shutterstock. I have only 347 videos in my Shutterstock portfolio. And 823 images approximately. Some of my videos are exclusive on Shutterstock. But after a new payment policy of Shutterstock, the amount per sales is getting very low. As you can see here, most of the images are selling for 10 cents only. And for videos it's only 34 cents. Not even $1. As I am a motion design artist and video editor, it's little bit disappointing. Because it takes too much efforts and work to create a good quality videos. According to quality of videos and work, the amount or value we are getting per video is not satisfactory. Right now I am using basic gears for photography and videography. You can see it in my previous video in my channel. I will put a link in description below. If you are new on Shutterstock or haven't started yet, then this video is for you. You can use my referral link from description below for starting new Shutterstock account. Hit a subscribe button and support this channel, and feel free to comment on the video for any guidance regarding Microstock contribution or photography or videography stuff. See you in my next video.